Hello friends, in my previous video I demonstrated how you can create a beautiful natural background for the magic of fishing. Today I'm going to create a beautiful natural beauty on it. Do you know with what all? I'm going to create it with mounds, grasses and amazing coconut trees. So let's get started. So come up with your brush, canvas and your paints and let's start. Right now I have this brush with me. It's a number 7 brush. You can get all the details in the description box below. So please have a look at that. I also have a jar of water as usual. I'll squish off my brush like this a little bit in a light stroke and then take off the extra water, and then I'm going to start painting. So for today I have this black color, white, green and brown. So first of all we are going to create a mount here. We're just going to grab a little bit of black and a little bit of white on the tip. White will be very less, and I'm going to grab this black color and create a mount like this. Can you see how beautiful it is to create it? I'm just going to paint and fill the rest of the area with my brush. A little bit of black and a little bit of white. Like this. So get on your brushes and try to paint with me with your own Brezziana arts so that you can too invent the artist in you. Not only that, you can spend fruitful time with me each and every day. And if you are not able to create it right now, you can create it at any time of the day when you feel like. See how the mount has been created. Isn't it beautiful? Now I'm going to create a different mount here, and it will be of a different shape. Like I'm going to grab black and white like this. The point to be noted is it is super easy and beautiful. So please begin your art journey with me and have lots of fun. Relax yourself and create it at your own easel. Now I'm going to create coconut trees. For this, I'm going to grab a little bit of black and green and then simply go like this. And with our free hand, and we should use our brushes swiftly and try to create a very beautiful indeed coconut tree. For creating this coconut tree, we can use this number 3 brush also. So let's get started with this. A little bit of green and a little bit of black to create the branches with number 3 brush. So we are going to make the tree like this. See how beautiful it is. Isn't it amazing? We are going to create its branches like this. See how I'm doing it? You should just follow what I'm doing. Give a shading like this and taper it in the front side as we move forward. Create this super easy and beautiful painting. So I'm having this live chat with you so that you can follow me, and you know, it's different. When you have a live chat, it's totally different. We are also going to create one more branch like this, okay, in a more beautiful way to get that texture which we want for our tree. See how beautiful it is looking, isn't it? We are going to create it like this. Create this amazing coconuts. See how beautiful it is. I'm creating this beautiful coconut too. Now I'm going to create another coconut tree over here. I'm going to grab a little bit of black, white and brown. The stem of a beautiful coconut tree, like this. Can you see how super easy and fun it is? Green, black and white. And we are going to create this beautiful branch. Like this, and then we are going to give this shading, this texture. Like this. Can you see how beautiful it is to create a coconut tree? This video is a little bit time taking, but I know if you create it, you'll feel amazed and surprised at your own art skill. So friends, I'm here with you to guide you and to be with you so that you can feel amazed and have lots of fun and create this super easy, beautiful painting. See how the texture is. You can use your own shading too of your own choice. It totally depends on you. So just relax and create this beautiful, amazing painting. I'm going to grab a little bit of black, a little bit of white and a little bit of green, and I'm going to create some coconuts so that it appears to be lively. If you create this painting and keep this at home, if you create this painting for yourself and keep this at home, I know you will be surprised at your own art skill. Now I'm going to create some grasses. For this, we just need to create it like this. For this, we need again black, white and green. See how beautiful it is appearing to be. So all we are left with is a fisherman and his net, and that I'm going to show you in my next video, and we'll really have fun. So this way we have created a few grasses. For today, I think I have finished with what I wanted to show you. This is my painting. Just have a look at this. It's super easy. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to create a fisherman with his net, with all the magic in it. So I hope you like this video, and please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more updates on such art. Thank you so much.